So welcome to Cameroon Next. Today I am going to show you how to apply online for the yearly West Africa Emerging Leaders Program 2019. So this program is going to be held in Accra in Ghana. So already you should know that the application deadline is the 19th April 2019 and the eligible countries are listed here below. So when you scroll here, you are going to have the selection criteria for this program. So ensure you fill the selection criteria and also ensure your country is listed here before applying for this program. So in order for you to apply for the program, you simply come at the end of the page and you click on the blue link here, apply now. So here you have the possibility either to sign in if you already have an account in the Yearly Regional Leadership Center's website, or if you do not have an account or if it's your first time, you can easily click on sign up button here. So we are going to sign up, and here you are going to fill this form. Here you choose your country code, and here you are going to key in your phone number. And it's important for you to note here that only the mobile number is allowed and that the country code is excluded. So for example, I am going to put in my number excluding the country code. So here, if you have ever been selected for the yearly program either on site or online, you are going to click yes. But if you have never been selected, you simply click no. Here, previously applied for the yearly West Africa Accra and was not selected, so you choose yes or no. And here it's going to ask you what is the capital of Togo spelled backward. So the capital of Togo is Lomé, and if you spell Lomé backward, it's going to give you EMOL. So here they are going to ask you again what is the square root of the year Ghana became independent, and you are going to write your answer into decimal places. So Ghana became independent in the 6th March 1957. So if you take the square root of the year, which is 1957, it's going to give you 44.24. So here you are going to choose a password for your account. You can decide to choose a suggested password, or you can decide to create your own password. So after filling the password, you click on submit. So your registration is complete. So you are going to click back on this link, and here you are going to key in the email address and the password which you just entered. So for email address, then you click on sign in. So after signing in, you are going to be logged in on your dashboard, and on your dashboard you have some options here, and you are going to fill each of these form that you have here. So we are going to start with the basics. So on basic menu, you are simply going to fill out the basics information. So here you are going to enter at least a 2 contacts number in full, and you can kindly repeat the number you provided above and any other number you have as an emergency contact. So we are going to repeat the number we entered above, including the country code. So plus here you enter any other language which you can speak, and here you are going to put in your address. Here you put the city in which you live, and below you choose your country. So here you can copy the link of your Facebook address and paste it here, and here you decide also to insert your WhatsApp number. So for WhatsApp, I use this number on WhatsApp, so I'm simply going to paste the number there. And also, if you have a Skype ID, you are going to input it here. So after filling the form, ensure that you have filled all the fields with the asterisk sign. So after ensuring that, you simply click on submit. Then you come and move to the next menu, which is the yearly program. So for the yearly program, there are 3 tracks in the Emerging Leaders program, which is the entrepreneurship, the public policy and management, and the civic leadership. So you are simply going to choose your track depending on which one you have more experience or which one you feel more comfortable with, and you are going to answer the questions below. So after completing the form, you click on submit. Again, after filling this form, you go to the next, which is the education. So here you are going to fill out your educational courses. Here you are going to specify your highest educational level, and here you are going to state the name of the university or the school you lastly attended. Here you are going to choose the field or area of study. Here you choose your number of years of experience and you click on submit. Then you move to the next, which is employment. Here you put the name of the employer. Here you are going to put your job role and description, where you worked, and here you are going to put in the reference, that is someone who can be contacted in case you want to confirm your information concerning the work you did. And here you are also going to input the reference phone number. So after inputting that, you simply click on submit form. So here it's important to note that you can go up to 3 employment references. So after filling out your employment form, you go to the optional information. So you are going to fill out these forms. So here you choose your marital status. So if you did not participate, you can simply put NA, which simply means not applicable. So if you have never participated, you simply click on no, I haven't participated previously. Again here, are you a member of the Yali network? If so, have you taken online courses through the network? If not, would you be interested in joining the network? So if you are not a Yali member and you are interested in joining the network, you can simply choose this option. No, I am not a member, but I am interested in joining the network. So you choose the option which suits you. Again, if you want to state your religious affiliation, you can simply state it there, but if you are not interested, then you skip the question and you move to the next question. So here you are going to state the channels of communication by which you learn about the Yali Regional Leadership Center West Africa. So this simply refers to any means by which you learn about this program. So you can be through the Yali West Africa website. So after inputting that, you click on submit. And now you move to the next, which is the leadership profile. So here you are going to tell us a bit about yourself, and you are going to give a profile description about yourself, including the following headings that you have here. That is, you are going to include your years of experience, 1 or 2 sentences that explain your professional motivations, and you're also going to talk about what organization you are working for currently and a summary of your major responsibilities related to your track. You're also going to state relevant and significant skills, and you are going to give 1 sentence on your plans for when you return to your home country. So you can follow this recommended profile format in order to write your own profile. So here you are going to type your profile. So you should understand that this field is compulsory and you must type your profile here. So after writing about your profile, you also write about your motivation, which should be max 1500 characters. So for your motivation, you are going to write the motivation here. So after writing your motivation, you simply state which areas you need help. So you are going to choose here amongst the options you have here. So after doing that, you click on submit. So I am not going to fill this form here because we have different profiles about us, and also our motivations are different. So you are going to fill out this form individually by yourself. So after filling out the form again, you click on the submit button and you move up and you click on the next menu, which is the administrative skills. So here you are going to choose among the responses, and your responses to the following questions will help the selection committee identify your current potential leadership traits. So your responses are therefore critical in distinguishing yourself from other candidates. So here you read the question carefully and you choose among the responses. So I am just going to choose in my case. So here you are going to provide an example that will support the choices selected under administrative skills. So you include the example in this space here. So after including the example, you simply click on submit and you move to the next menu, which is the interpersonal skills. Again, here you are going to choose amongst the various responses, which will also enable the selection committee to know the kind of leader which you are. So I am just choosing in a random way because I am doing this tutorial. So ensure to read the question carefully and choose the right responses for yourself. Again, here you are going to provide an example that will support the choices selected under interprofessional skills, and after writing the example, you click on submit. And finally, you move to the last menu, which is the certification. So on this last menu, you are going to complete the application process by submitting the form below. So in order for you to submit the form, you have some few information here needed regarding yourself. So the first is your passport. So you are going to upload your passport. So if you have a passport already, you should scan the first page of your passport and you are going to upload it on this platform. And here you are going to key in your legal first name, and here your last name. Here you are going to state your place of birth. Here your current country of residence. Here you are going to input your passport number. So here again you are going to choose where your passport was issued, the expiry date, and here you are going to write choose the nearest airport which you can travel, that is in your country. So after writing that, you come at the end, you are going to sign. You can do an electronic signature here. Then after that, you simply click on submit your application. So after submitting your application, if you have been successful, then the Yali Regional Leadership Center is going to contact you through mail. So thank you very much for having listened to this tutorial, and I hope your application will be considered for this regional leadership program.